If you're a homeowner in West Jordan, Utah, looking to upgrade your windows, Awning Windows may be the perfect solution. Stylish, functional, and energy efficient, Awning Windows are an increasingly popular choice for homeowners who want to blend comfort with curb appeal. Whether you're replacing old windows or designing a new home, installing Awning Windows can offer a wide range of benefits tailored to West Jordan's unique climate and lifestyle. Excellent ventilation, rain or shine. One of the standout benefits of Awning Windows is their unique design. Hinged at the top and opening outward from the bottom, these windows act like a small roof when open, hence the name, Awning. This smart design allows for continuous ventilation even during light rain, protection from the elements while enjoying fresh air, ideal airflow in rooms like bathrooms, kitchens, and basements. In West Jordan, where weather can shift quickly, Awning Windows allow you to keep air flowing without worrying about rain entering your home. Energy efficiency for Utah's four seasons. Awning Windows offer a tight seal when closed, making them one of the most energy-efficient window styles available. Their locking mechanism pulls the sash snugly against the frame, minimizing air leaks. This is especially beneficial in a place like West Jordan, where homes face both hot summers and chilly winters. Energy-efficient Awning Windows help maintain stable indoor temperatures, reduce the strain on your HVAC system, lower your monthly utility bills. Most modern Awning Windows come with double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and argon gas fills, adding insulation and reducing heat transfer year-round. Compact design for smaller spaces. Awning Windows are perfect for tight spaces or high wall placements. They work well in areas where you want light and ventilation but don't have room for a full-sized window. Ideal placements include above kitchen sinks in stairwells or hallways, in basements for added airflow and egress. Their compact, outward-swinging design means they can be installed higher on the wall, offering privacy and light without compromising on style or function. Enhanced home security is a concern for many West Jordan homeowners, and Awning Windows offer solid peace of mind. When closed and locked, their design is difficult to tamper with from the outside. Additional security features include multi-point locking system, reinforced frames and hinges, customizable options with impact-resistant or laminated glass. Because they open outward and typically have a smaller size, they're also less likely to be used as points of entry, especially when installed higher on walls. Clean, modern aesthetic. Awning Windows add a sleek, modern look to any home. Their minimalist frames and wide glass panels allow for natural light while maintaining a clean appearance. They also pair beautifully with other window styles. You can combine them with picture windows for a stylish combo, stack them vertically for a unique design element, use them in custom arrangements for added curb appeal. Whether your West Jordan home is contemporary or traditional, Awning Windows can enhance its overall aesthetic. Easy to use and maintain. thanks to their crank-style operation. Awning windows are easy to open and close, even in hard-to-reach areas. Their durable construction and weather-resistant materials make them low maintenance, even in Utah's dry summers and snowy winters. Many models offer easy-to-clean frames and hardware, removable screens for hassle-free maintenance, long-lasting finishes that resist fading or corrosion. And final thoughts. A smart choice for West Jordan homes. Awning windows offer an unbeatable combination of style, comfort, and performance, making them a wise investment for any West Jordan homeowner. From enhanced ventilation and energy savings to added security and space-saving versatility, these windows are designed to improve your living experience inside and out. If you're considering window replacement or new construction, consult with a local expert to explore your options. Awning windows could be the perfect fit for your West Jordan home and your lifestyle.